Writing indeed can put food on your table. Do you know how to write? There's this amazing opportunity out there. Your companies are looking forward for people to ghostwrite fiction stories for them and get paid in dollars. First of all, what are the things you think you need to start with? You just need your smartphone. What previous knowledge did you think you need to get started? You just ability to understand and write. If you can express yourself through writing, then this opportunity is for you. You can do it. What are the things that may push you to say, oh, is this something I want to do? Do you need an extra income? uh, is your life situation at this point in time something you think you need money, or you are a stay-at-home mom, a 9 to 5 worker, or you just need some extra money to do the things you want to do? So this is a great opportunity whereby even though you are not a writer at the moment, you can learn the skill and become a writer. So this opportunity is about ghostwriting fiction stories, specifically for fiction story. You know, you can ghostwrite article, you can ghostwrite blog posts, you can ghostwrite on maybe Twitter, X, or for people and get paid. But this very opportunity I'm talking about at the moment is to ghostwrite fiction stories for foreign companies and earn in dollars. So what is it and how does it look like? Many people may have this fear that, I've not written fiction before, apart from just basic writing. Nobody was born a writer. Every writer learned how to write. First of all, I want you to sit back and think. Have you seen an opportunity? If you see an opportunity whereby you're told, okay, write this story for me and I'll give you $1,000, convert that money in your own currency and see, is this something you'll be willing to learn, to undergo training so that you'll be able to do? Because a lot of people are looking for businesses to start. Some have very high starting capital. Some want to go into drop shipping, some want to go to um, importation, they want to start the brick and mortar store to stock things. You have to rent, you have to buy, and then hopefully waiting that customers require. A lot of people are looking for one business to start every day. So in this new year and moving forward, if you see a skill whereby if you enroll, register, and learn the skill, and the skill teaches you, the training teaches you how to monetize the skill, is it something you'll be willing to do? So this is a great opportunity whereby even though as a non-writer, you can be taught how to write and monetize the skill. The best thing about this opportunity is that the foreign companies are already on ground looking for writers to recruit to write stories for them. So at this point, you've seen the market already. There's nothing like writing story and now hawking it on your head to look for who to sell for. Those companies are already there looking for your story. They have their own preferred genre. One of the things that may give you advantage if it's something you want to look into is, do you watch movies? No, movies, screenwriting and scriptwriting is just like writing novels and stories. You get ideas from everyday life, what's going on around you. Is that when you in a community of writers that are trained, you see that this skill is easy to learn. So this opportunity now, that if you have made up your mind, you see that at least you can scribble something and write a little, then I'll tell you to up on and join the training. There's a training that teaches you how to write these fiction stories and give you about 10 to 15 companies that are already waiting to get this your story. The training will teach you how to write everything about fiction from scratch. You've gone to school, you've paid fees, you finished, you graduated, you are now still hoping and willing to get a job. If you're getting a job, maybe it's not enough. So to learn an high income skill that can, when you learn a skill, it stays with you forever. You you have the skill. It can be your retirement plan, like me. It's my retirement plan, something I can do as an introvert. Stay in my room and do. So this training is just 20,000 naira. Do you think it's something you want to do? If you've seen the opportunity for yourself and you think it's something you can do, just say I'm interested and I'll furnish you with the training link for you to get started. I'm being honest with you. The training is 20,160 naira only. You will be taught how to write, even though you are not a writer. They show you a way of how to get writers to write for you, and you earn in dollars and pay them in your local currency like naira. When you acquire a skill, it stays with you. You can share with your children, your grandchildren. It's something that you can just hop on. How to get the story idea, brainstorm, write all the apps and tools you need. You just need your smartphone. It's an come skill. Many people are learning copywriting, every other thing. This is some ghostwrite fiction stories. I'm Dr. Iniobong ANTE, a mother of three lovely girls, and I'll be happy and welcome you into our community. We have community of writers on Telegram, on WhatsApp. After enrolling on the training, you get access to all the premium tools, everything you need to be equipped as a fiction writer, and all the foreign companies, everything you need as a support group and questions. I myself will personally guide you and give you my own free mentorship on how to start writing fiction stories and earn in dollars, how to open your dollar account and all of that. Are you ready? Tell me your